Get ready to dash into a whimsical world. Flash Fern, the super speed hero, and his loyal sidekick Pippin are about to face their biggest challenge yet. Can they save a friend from a wacky villain? In a whimsical fantasy land filled with magical creatures and enchanted forests, our hero, Flash Fern, a smart, resourceful superhero with bright primary colored and earthy nature-themed costume, sprints across a meadow with his loyal talking puppy sidekick, Pippin. Flash's super speed lets him blur past anyone, and he secretly uses a special power-up device that fuels his abilities. The peaceful land is suddenly disrupted as news spreads of a missing friend and pet who has been mysteriously captured. Flash and Pippin discover a series of clues near a sparkling brook. A distressed little creature, part squirrel and part bird, explains it was kidnapped by a wacky, evil genius who challenges the hero with mechanical traps. The tone is fast-paced and adventurous as Flash vows to rescue the missing friend while Pippin perkily offers his help and insights into the woodland signals. Flash races through twisting enchanted groves, his speed dashed with motion lines illustrating his vigor. His special device glows as he navigates clever obstacles set by the villain, a devious contraption that tangles vines and bursts into puffs of giggling smoke. Pippin barks directions and communicates with the forest animals, who join the chase with surprising unity. Deep in a clearing lit by magical fireflies, Flash arrives at a secret lair constructed by the eccentric evil genius, Professor Whimsy. The lair is filled with zany, wacky inventions that hum with unpredictable energy. Here, Flash finds his captured friend, a gentle creature with a kind heart, locked within an ingenious, high-tech cage. Tension fills the page as the villain's plan to trap the hero's pet sidekick is revealed. Inside the lair, Flash's brain power shines. Relying on his swift mind and super speed, he quickly examines the contraptions. Using his special device, he creates a clever trick that outsmarts Professor Whimsy's machine. As he races around the lair, the animals he can talk to help by activating enchanted gadgets, creating a distraction and weakening the villain's hold on the cage. Panels burst with dynamic angles and comic book sound effects like zap and whir. Confronted by Flash, Professor Whimsy initially fights back with one last zany invention. But as the hero demonstrates not only cunning and speed but also genuine kindness, offering the villain a chance to change, Whimsy's icy demeanor begins to melt. The clash of superpowers is juxtaposed with moments of warmth, as Flash's compassion makes the villain realize that with great power comes great responsibility. The villain's heart softens, and he releases the captured friend along with apologetic words. Flash's quick thinking, combined with kindness, transforms the scene from conflict to camaraderie. Professor Whimsy, now a reformed ally, promises to use his inventions for good. The panels show Flash, Pippin, and their new friend sharing a heartfelt moment under a twilight sky, with magical creatures celebrating in the background. In the final spread, our hero stands proud with his restored friend and a humbled villain-turned-friend by his side. A caption reveals the moral: with great power comes great responsibility. The comic ends on a bright, uplifting note, promising more adventures in this enchanting fantasy world. The whimsical setting, fast-paced heroics, and lessons learned come together in a perfectly illustrated happily ever after.